Mana Scuba?
Ay, man. Tata, Keisha.
Come on. Hey, let me join the club now.
Hey, but guys, tonight with Tigwayo, man. You know what? I had an idea. How about Sitaleni?
There's no time for ideas.
Yo, bro, let me tell you.
No.
What?
Pingy.
Oh, man.
Masiyenzi tayo. Masiyenzi.
Yeah, do you know things that are being said by Landoa Pinky? Guys, coming out.
I also have ingredients so yeah, by the way.
Uze prepare tayo.
So you took your mother's things?
So guys, yabona the way. Pinky same time is gonna come. No. Flower.
What do you do with the egg?
He's gonna come. I want us to chant Pinky Upi. Pinky is from now 4 times. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna say Pinky Upi. Sifuna udlala nawe 4 times. Yabo? Let's go. Pinky Upi. Sifuna udlala nawe. Pinky Upi. Sifuna udlala nawe. Pinky Upi. Sifuna udlala nawe. Pinky Upi. Sifuna udlala nawe.
And then
Benitsumisa sipana tani na lewe.
we just play the game we're playing, guys.
Okay, let's go. Put away your pinky things.
Crazy, right?
Yeah, let's do it again. Is anyone expecting someone?
No.
School?
No.
Check thing.
Let's go.
Pinky.
Guys! Come look! School, come look! What are you He's here! Pinky is here! He's actually here! Come look!
Hey, Binzo! Praise! Guys!
Come!
No,
Something so good. Something.
Let's go, guys. Yeah. Hey.
Abracadabra.
Right here.
Fresh, son.
What did you do, Pinky?
Pinky mna ndenzanga
You
nix.
guys do.
Tena ungandenzanga mna Pinky.
You guys do.
Yeah, man udlala mtaka wena Pinky.
Right up in clock. Manu Pinky prank kwam now. Tena ungabethi kakuhle ma.
Nguwe Pinky.
Daun.
Hi, man.
Wenza kodini?
Can't we like play 30 seconds or Ludo or something?
No. You summoned me, yeah? You play what I say you must play.
Man.
Why? Since you're so keen on playing Pinky, why don't you become Pinky for me?
Ah.
Hey,
Guys, bapha abantu wa?
Happy guys. Yabona ke lo pinky pinky wakho bentithe ngayo.
Hayi kaloku ayithethi loo nto leni play mama guys.
Hey guys,
Thini ke kulena ku?
Chris 8.
Hayi alo crazy wakho wena. No.